Victory belongs to Him. Victory belongs to Him. Victory belongs to Him. Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs. Yes, victory belongs to the one and only King. Victory belongs to Jesus. Victory belongs to you, Jesus. I declare victory belongs to the Son of God. I decree and declare victory belongs to victory belong to my darling Jesus. Victory, it's a done deal. It is done. In Jesus' name. Cose che non ti sa, dove chi rado c'è. He has us into my hero. What is somebody that mama come on me? It's Jesus. It's in